The automation-first mindset refers to a strategic approach or mindset in which organizations prioritize and embrace automation as a fundamental aspect of their operations, decision-making processes, and overall business strategies. An automation-first mindset involves recognizing the potential benefits and opportunities that automation technologies, such as robotic process automation, RPA, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, can offer. It goes beyond viewing automation as a mere tool or solution but rather as a core principle guiding how work is approached and optimized. Key characteristics of an automation-first mindset may include proactive approach, actively seeking opportunities to automate repetitive and rule-based tasks to drive efficiency and reduce human error. Cultural shift, fostering a culture that encourages innovation, continuous improvement, and experimentation with automation technologies. Strategic alignment, aligning automation initiatives with the organization's overall goals, values, and long-term vision. Process optimization, identifying processes that can be streamlined, standardized, or eliminated through automation to optimize resource allocation and improve productivity. Agile adaptability, embracing change and being open to adopting new automation technologies and methodologies as they evolve. Collaboration, encouraging cross-functional collaboration and involvement of employees at all levels in identifying automation opportunities and implementing solutions. Continuous learning, investing in training and upskilling employees to embrace automation technologies and adapt to changing roles in an automated environment. By adopting an automation-first mindset, organizations can leverage automation technologies to drive digital transformation, enhance operational efficiency, and unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation in a rapidly evolving business landscape.